What were number one? What were your expectations before your first dance fitness class? Before my first dance fitness class, I honestly expected it to be just like simple workout with music. But belly dancing is so hard, especially for boys. Number two, describe your favorite aspect of a typical dance fitness class. My favorite part is the music and the group energy. Everyone moves together and it makes you feel more motivated. Number three, how important is the instructor style, instruct, instructor style and personality to your engagement? It is super important if the instructor is lively and it keeps me motivated. Number 4. Do you prefer learning complex choreography or simpler repetitive movements? Why? I like simple moves. Uh, I prefer simple moves because it's easier to follow and enjoy. Number 5. How would you describe the energy level of the classes you attend? For me, it's the people around there is always high and everyone's having fun. Number 6. Have you noticed any improvements into your physical fitness since starting dance fitness? Yes, my stamina has improved and I feel more flexible. For number 7, do you feel more confident in your dance abilities now compared to when you started? Not really because I'm still too shy for until now. Number 8. What is the biggest challenge you face in dance fitness? And how did you overcome it? For me, the biggest challenge for me was learning belly dancing techniques. It's tough for us, like, especially for boys, since it's not common and requires a lot of core control. Number 9. Have you ever felt self-conscious or intimidated in a dance fitness class? How did you deal with it? No, for me. What motivates you to keep attending classes regularly? Honestly, for me, for WRP credit hours. How has dance fitness impacted your mental health and emotional well-being? It helps me really boost my mood, and feel more confident about myself. For number 12 last, would you recommend dance fitness to others? Why or why not? Uh, Definitely yes. It's a fun way to stay fit and meet new people and express yourself through music. Even you think you can dance, you'd be surprised how much you'll improve. For me, that's all.